Welcome back to Get Rich with Shade. Today, I'm sharing tips on how to start a gym with a minimal budget. Let's dive in. First off, location is crucial. Opt for a smaller space to reduce rent costs. You can always expand later. Consider unconventional spots like warehouses or shared spaces. Next, equipment. Don't splurge on brand new machines. Check out secondhand options or lease equipment. Look for deals and discounts. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Marketing doesn't have to break the bank. Use social media to your advantage. Create engaging content, offer online classes, and connect with local influencers. Word of mouth is powerful. Now let's talk pros and cons. The biggest pro is low initial investment. You're not drowning in debt from day one. Flexibility is another plus. You can adapt and grow as you go. But there are cons too. Limited space means fewer members at a time. You might also face challenges with competition from larger gyms. However, with strategic planning and a unique approach, you can carve out your niche. And there you have it, folks. Starting a gym on a budget is totally doable. Just remember to be smart with your resources. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe for more tips on Get Rich with Shade. See you next time.